Well, since it is that time of year and real estate taxes are coming out, let's talk about a little bit about your real estate taxes. So the first thing that's going to happen is when you purchase your house, most of the time you escrow your taxes, which means your taxes are collected. They take the yearly amount, divide it by 12, and they collect it with your monthly payment. So that's generally how it's done, but sometimes you are given the option to not escrow. That's entirely up to you if you are given that option. Different loan programs have different reasons. So first and foremost, 9 times out of 10, your taxes are escrowed. So when you get that first letter in the mail that is proposed taxes, that is telling you that in the next several months, when you get to regular taxes, this is what they're going to possibly be. This is what they were last year. This is what we're anticipating, and this is where they may be. So that is just a little form in the mail you get. You don't have to do anything with it. It's just giving you an idea of what they're going to be when it does come. The next letter you'll get, usually in August or September, is your actual tax bill. Now, again, usually it will say if your taxes are escrowed, the bill will say, do not pay, your lender has this. But some counties don't do that. So if you get your tax bill in the mail and it tells you this is how much is due, then what you need to remember is, are your taxes escrowed or are they not? If they're escrowed, this is going to be more of just saying, hey, this is what it's going to be. If they're higher than last year, then we're still going to pay them, but we will do an escrow adjustment in January. So then the next step would be when you can pay them. Now, if you have them escrowed, again, I keep going back to escrow, but if you have them escrowed, we are required to pay them in November, which is the earliest and the lowest amount on your taxes that can be paid. So we would pay them in November. Now, they aren't really due until April. So if you don't have them escrowed, you technically can wait till April. But every month you don't pay them, they add a little bit more to them and they're a little higher, so you don't get the discounts. So that's a little bit about real estate taxes. If you've got any questions, reach out to me. Dawn Hall, Van Dyke Mortgage, 239-789-7561. Your lender for life.